remember the dad said story called Ugly Duck. One day, duck mommy has 7 eggs. In the 7th egg, six of the duck is beautiful, but one duck is not beautiful, called ugly duck. And the duck mommy said, "You're ugly, go away." Ugly duck met a cow. The cow said, "You're ugly, go away." Then ugly duck met a cat. The cat said, "You're ugly, go away." Then ugly duck met a bunny rabbit. The bunny said, "You're ugly, go away." Then ugly duck met a boy. The boy said, "You're ugly, go away." And then ugly duck met a girl. The girl said, "You're ugly, go away." Ugly duck was alone. One day, ugly duck met some swans. The swan said, "Look at the water." Ugly duck made to a swan, and the swan said, "You're beautiful. Did you want to come with us?" Ugly duck said, "Yes. Thank you. Bye-bye."